Takazani, I welcome you once more to my channel and thank you so much for being my video. Well, today I'd like to talk about ukuhlola. Well, that is something that's important, especially when it comes to N20 as a spirituality or as a bungoma in a nutshell. I always emphasize ukuthi umuntu cannot be trained ukuthi ahlole, right? Because that is where you find ukuthi people these days bayakhohliswa. People these days, they become like badliwe imali because of that notion and that pressure that is there ekuthwaseni, whereas umuntu akakhona ukuhlola or certain things. So people use different mediums for ukuhlola. It always comes back to idlozi lakho and how idlozi lakho works. Some people use candles, some people use bones, some people use amandi, some people use any medium, because remember, spirituality cannot be bottled up into something. Whereas these days it is very vast, like there is no barrier when it comes to spirituality. You can hlola umuntu even if it's distant, even if it's just ngesipho sakho uphiwe, and no one can train you for that. You can even read someone if needs to be Skype or anyhow, because that is your gift. That is you, that is who you are. So I always say that abogobela don't take their time to identify emathwaseni abo ama strengths and weaknesses, and it's unfortunate that the whole point of being isangoma is that being able to read, right? So ukuhlola is a process whereby amadlozi wakho namadlozi wami connect and allow exchange of information, because when you can't relate to them directly, mina, I am the middleman that delivers the message to you. So I always say that umuntu amandlozi wakho, if I connect nomuntu, that person will be able to help you for that particular purpose in your life or for that particular thing. But hear me well, that into zamadlozi or into zabantu abadala azina magic. The whole purpose is that sibe khona is that for me to check up on izinto zakho zakini entweni zamadlozi wakho, and allow you, or rather bridge the gap so you can get izinto zakho ezikufanele, or for you to receive your blessings or how to manifest your things. I am there to play that or facilitate that. I cannot manifest your money for you. I cannot manifest your blessings for you. It is there, I hold your hand, but you need to do all the work. So that is or being the middle person when it comes to ezokuhlola. So now because abantu bagijimisa imali, umuntu yamthwasisa wazi kahle ukuthi akakwazi ukuhlola, but because mhlambe ufahlamela kakhulu, ubone kahle ukuthi ngoba ugida ngathi yashi lemgidi, and then ubone ngathi lo muntu loyo has excelled. That is those things I always say ukuthi abogobela don't identify lezo zinto lezo ukuthi umuntu does unayo criteria na ukuthi athwase abe isangoma, because for you to be that umgoma, you need to be able to read people, and understand certain things ngento zedlozi. So just because umuntu angakhona ukuhlola, then kuyaqala lapho ukuse-ke where people are trained to lie. It's a problem, because I always had a problem with that. Even nami ngisathwasa ukuthi there are points where ubona ukuthi, you know what, izangoma, some to a certain extent zinokuthi zikhuluma amanga. It's not because bakhuluma amanga, they are trained to lie, because akaboni lo muntu loyo usuke maybe angatrainwanga ukuthi sometimes you are not the healer for everyone. You understand that there is also that ukuthi you are not the healer for everyone. There's nothing wrong in saying ukuthi no, mina I cannot offer my help when it comes to this, rather undlulele phambili uthole umuntu ozokusiza. But because people are greedy, ufuna ukuthi ekini kugwale, because kune competition ukuthi uhila abantu abayingaki, then you start lying, then nahamba nothola ilwane ukuthi nibhula abantwana babantu, senamasalamusi and all those things, and it just becomes one misunderstood or misguided scenario that is totally blown out of proportion. So umuntu anyeke umtrain ukuthi ahlole umuntu. It's either unayo or akanayo, and into asuka phiwe idlozi lakhe. You cannot train umuntu ukuthi abe like the spiritual eyes and ears and third eye to be open. It's something that happens automatically, but they come to you bazotwasa because they need grooming in the physical. Because uma ngithwasa usungathwasisi idlozi, I'm just dala la thwasa usuke utrainer mina ukuthi ngikwazi sikwenza umsebenzi lo abantu abadala. So now people end up umuntu akutshela ukuthi ithambo ngoba libhekelena uzofa, ithambo ngoba libhekelena. Sometimes they use those medium because it's the stereotype ukuthi mayisangomeli ushaya amathambo, and sometimes umuntu akabona ukubona like next, but because they feel so pressured they end up lying. They being trained ukuthi ngithi ngizwa ngathi uhlelana ngesinye isikhathi uthi uphuza itiya, ngesinye isikhathi uthi uyasha. I mean ubani ophuza itiya ongashi? Maqeda uphuza itiya uzosha vele. I mean some other things are general knowledge, you know, but because people are trained, you know, whereby uthola ugobela osile ongakona ukuthi akeluleke, then you find ukuthi bathi abantu izangoma ziyaloya or izangoma zenzani. It derives from those particular situations. So you need to, as a person, be strong enough to identify yourself ukuthi do I fit in kule ndlela engiqalayo? Because like I say, it's not amabai, it's not abuhlalo ukuthi ngisangoma, it's not that, you understand? So coming back to this thing of knowing that, because remember, everything you go through in your life, it shapes your journey, ne? To mhlampe the clients you're going to work with after uthwasile, or the clients you're going to have post uthwasile. Mhlampe some certain things you went through your life, for them to train you so that you can be able ukuthi ulaphe abantu who have passed through that journey. So sometimes izangoma we also become greedy. There is no ukuthi mina ngikhona ukukusiza when it comes to this, mina ngizokusiza when it comes to this. Because remember, uma uyohlola umuntu amadlozi omuntu, they come forth, you know, bearing those messages that they want to relay at that particular time. Because nani niyahlupa, you come to me and you expect me to tell you the color of your underwear, you expect me to tell you ukuthi oyakho igcoke underwear enjani, when I'm trying to communicate with your people. But because of that judgment ukuthi she needs to tell me that, she needs to tell me that, not understanding ukuthi mina as ngihila nginje ngisangoma nginje, it is because of 1 2 and 3 and ngilapha 1 2 and 3, because that is why uthola niyamba izangoma lezi nithola ukuthi ni 20 lapha ejardini, nonke nize with different problems, but nonke niphuziswa ideep netswayi namanzi, but zizoni lapha. It's because lo muntu loyo is greedy. Ungenile endumeni yakhe wahlola ile ilwane zakhona wayenza, not understanding ukuthi sometimes not everyone is not everything is your portion. Not everyone, you know. I always used to have this thing because you know uthi uyahamba ebantwini and umuntu uyakubona and they have this mhlole face. I don't know how they do it. They just stand there like mfunde ngitshela indaba zami. I hate that so much because it's disrespect, you understand? Abanye abantu they fall trap because ni semateksini umuntu akhwathe yazi ngibona ngathi unenkinga. Who doesn't have problems? Like who doesn't have problems? Umuntu akhwathe yazi ngibona ngathi udinga imali. Like sonke la manje sidinga imali, we all need money, but because people are so vulnerable these days, we want quick everything. We want izinto zethu zibe speed, asina patience when it comes to izinto zamadlozi. You meet those people, they dupe you out. Unfortunately, if you're gonna meet me and expect ukuthi ngitshele indaba zakho, I don't work like that, you know. I rather will come to you and let you know, you know what, this is I'm getting messages from your people, can you make time and come see me? Isn't this not good to uzongithola mall mina ngihlola abantu? I don't do that. Maybe call it pride from Islamic, but I don't do like that. So those are the things that is corner that people overlook, you know. And sometimes even umuntu uyilukyohlela kuye and they needed to serve that purpose empilweni yakho, then seka broke umuntu just because you were their client. Uyakufonela makabhurekile, wempho awukakaqedi phela buya sizo ngibona ngathi kunengozi ezayo. Like stop, you know. Like let's just be honest, like as abangoma for once in our lives, you know. Let's just be honest and stop manipulating people just because bona they do not have the resources or the access like we do. You understand? And nani bantu out there, also be cautious because and they come in all forms of and sizes, and people can sit there umuntu akutshele ukuthi uyisangoma wayethwasa kuphi kuphi wayongena elontozeni bekhohlise and then take your money. So nani stopani ukuthi njalo ngithanda ukuhlola. Go uyohlola when you need that particular thing, because there are people that are addicted. Umuntu ufuna ukuyohlola ukuthi kusasa iweather yobanjani, umuntu ufuna ukuhlola ukuthi lo thuzo ibamba nini. And apha seniyadliwa, like it's a process that is seyimoshekile, say lose i-value yakhona. That's why ngisho ngithi nani bokobela, stop lying. If uyabona ukuthi umntwanami, because ephehlweni khona this part abathi imfihlo, umntana khoma ubana ukuthi uyabhetla ngemfihlo, umntana kho you know what, mnyeke, you know, and find other mediums, because mangizokutraina ukuthi ithambo leli i-drumstick malibheke empumalanga kusho ukuthi khona indoda ezayo. And at this, what are your ancestors saying? You know, am I supposed to lie to you just because I want your money? Am I supposed to tell you lento lena engifundise yona? Kusasa you end up uthola abantu bangalile bathi hey kunini ngambiza ngoma from Cape to Cairo, I'm not getting help. It is not because of you not getting help. I always believe that umuntu is supposed to help you mhlambe for that particular situation empilweni yakho, or that particular you know, thing or problem you have. Your ancestors namanje like will connect, because it's an exchange of information, it's an exchange of data between my ancestors and yours. Because I first have to ask my ancestors ukuthi ngakhona ukuthi abantu abakhabompo baletha umlayezo ngikhona ukudlulisela kumpho ngimshwale when it comes to izinto ezimayelana nempilo yakhe. And sometimes we find ukuthi uyisangoma and you don't work ngezinto. That is why you always need to be honest with yourself as a healer and know that, you know what, some portions are not mine. You know, there is nothing wrong with ukutshela umuntu ukuthi no, I cannot help you when it comes to this, because people die. Niba phimbiza thola ukuthi umuntu is HIV positive, thola ukuthi umuntu is on the verge of dying, but because awufuna phumela phange gate angashiyanga i20 rand la emsamo wakho, you end up lying to people. Umuntu umbona ukuthi udinga i-treatment injele kuphela, but you lie to them umtshele ukuthi ujampisiwe wadliswa wayenzani ini, because thina abantu abamnyama asifuna ukugula, sifuna njalo siloyiwe. Thina abantu abamnyama indoda ayisifeli iyadliswa iyaloya. I mean, some other things are like they're just beyond our control. So now when you go to consult because you need clarification on particular. That's the whole process of going to consult. Usuku uyochecka ukuthi hayi khamba kanjani, hayi ukuthi wena njalo uyachecka ithi ngiyohlola ngibona ubamba ngibheka ithi ngiyohlola. I man, you know what, ezinye izinto, that's why ngithi ubungoma buluza inhlonipho, buluza i-value because of people per se, you know, the things that happen. Abantu abasena honesty, abantu abasafuna ukukhuluma amaqiniso, abantu abasafuna, you know, abantu bafuna magic. But ngithanda kakhulu izinto eziphathekayo, because most of the time nglethe ima message lawa aletha amadlozi akho, and if awuna patience and if you don't want to listen to your ancestors, then don't bother. But if ufuna umuntu ozomanipulate the whole process of your life, ozokumanifestela imali yakho, akumanifestela indoda, akuphe something, then go to those people. And they hide in amabai and nuplalo and all these things. It's unfortunate. So it's important now as a person to know good, just because bato mama lapa usholaza shole nange kala, is she the person that I need to go to, particular is she my healer? Will she be able to, just because I can't 1 2 3 I want to like some other things are just beyond, you know, us. So that is why kukhona lezinto bathi uthwasile wandlulisa. They shouldn't lie to you. Uthwasa wandlulisa in makasho nje ukuthi angikwazi ukuhlola, like angikhona, angiboni next, I like blind, like iyangishaya lento. Then angizange kusayithola i-refund yakho, then like that's why ngithi siyajumpela lento le, hey ngiyisangoma, yeah, my journey, but you don't understand ukuthi it's strenuous, it's not easy, it's not as it looks. I might look beautiful to you right now, but it doesn't look as pretty, you know. It's not as easy, it's not you know, I slay easy, like, if I may just put it in a nutshell. So people badliwe mali just because uyahlupheka, just because uyagula, purupuru eshayela isigubhu, purupuru sowugida kuphi emzini kabantu manipuru soyisangoma sowubuyile uhleli khohlisa abantu, uchitha imizi yabantu, wena njalo wonke umuntu okuze kuwe, wena njalo umuntu oze kuwe wena ubona ilontoze, hey ngibonile ifele imnyama ngibona ini. And even to those they don't even give you a chance to ask question, because umuntu will be like, njengoba uhlele kanje ngibonile ifele imnyama ngibona ngathi yonke into oyenza yonke into yabheda, ngesikhathi uthi uyahamba ini. I mean